welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler, also known as Knots and Curls, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this sleek low bun. Now I don't like doing low buns that often because it makes my hair look like pothead, but I did this entire hairstyle without gel. I don't like using gel for my low puffs anymore, so if you guys want to see what I used and how I got it this sleek, then definitely stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave some video suggestions in the comments down below. Okay, let's get on to the video.
Okay, so first and foremost, yes, my hair is in a stretch state. I did that. I created that stretch state by twisting my hair the night before. Now you don't have to do this, but I really prefer doing my sleek buns on stretched hair, but that is not always necessarily the case. So I'm just unraveling my twist, and then the first thing I'm gonna do is create the parting that I want. I decided to go with the side part. I also love a middle part, so whichever part works for you, do that, boo. That the key to getting a super sleek bun is by working in sections. So I'm gonna work with the back section first. I am unraveling all the twists in the back section, and then I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner by Palmer's. I believe it's their Natural Fusions leave-in conditioner. And the reason why I prefer using this leave-in conditioner is because it is lightweight but it's still moisturizing. I preferred to opt for a leave-in conditioner that was more lightweight so that it wouldn't leave like a heavy or super greasy feel onto my hair, and that my curls wouldn't revert from in the stretch state. If you have a lightweight leave-in conditioner, go for that, girl. And I'm just finger detangling first, and then I'm going to go in with this tangle teaser. This one is actually from Muddy Body, but you can find any tangle teaser anywhere. And I absolutely love using tangle teasers for my buns. If you have never used it, you are definitely missing out. It really does help to sleek the roots, and it doesn't pull on your hair unnecessarily. So I'm going to put this section into a kind of loose one, and then I'm going to work section by section, sleeking my hair back. Now, I'm not going to be putting each and every section into the one every 5 seconds. That is tiring. I'm not doing that. So what I'm going to do is sleek a section down, and then I'm going to apply an alligator clip to keep it out of the way while I work on the other section. Now, if you prefer to take your hair out of that scrunchie and put it in 10, 15, 20 times, do you, but that is not what I'm about, okay? So this is what I opted for. So as you guys can see, I'm actually not using a gel, and I'm not using a gel after every layer. I used to do that, but I changed. I no longer use gels for my sleek buns. I actually use the Creme of Nature styling whole glue, I believe. A picture of it is gonna show up very soon, but I only apply whatever I'm using to sleek my hair down on the outer layer of it. So when I put my hair into this one, then I'm going to apply the Cream of Nature Styling Whole Glue. I'm sorry if that's the wrong name, but I'm gonna put that all over my hair in the first layer, or the surface layer. I don't want to get product all in throughout my hair. I'm just stick to the first layer, and yeah, I'm just gonna smooth that down onto my hair, and then go in alternating between the Tangle Teaser and a comb and a boar bristle brush. Okay, so sis did not want to forget about the edges, so yes, I'm doing the edges. I'm using an edge brush, or whatever this is called, to do my edges, and I'm using the Cream of Nature Styling Glue, but I'm also going to be using another product which you guys are going to see after. I don't want to spoil it for you guys. Don't skip either, but yeah. If I'm the only person that gotta brush my hair about 100 times before I think it's sleek enough to finally go into that one scrunchie. Let me know in the comments down below. I hope I'm not alone. So yeah. Okay girls, so the Cream of Nature Styling Glue was good enough on its own, but if you want this sleek bun to last you a while, at least a few days, sis, you gonna need this got to be glue. Okay, now when I apply this, this is gonna stay for at least 4 days, sis. Trust and believe me. Okay. And I'm very tender-headed, so I always have to take my bun out before I go to bed, but the frame literally stays there even when I take the bun out, and in the morning all I gotta do is put it back into one and I'm good to go. So I'm using these hair strips, or I can't remember what it's called, but it really helps to lay the hair down, lay the edges down, and then I'm going to tie it over with my scarf. You know, we got to tie our hair down with a scarf. That's the only way it can stay as flat as possible. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes, go do what I got to do, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the bun portion. Okay, so that was kind of quicker than I thought. I thought I was going to do like a longer transition, but obviously not. So this was like, I think 20 minutes later. This actually looks like a nice puff, let me know. But my bun is going to be super simple. I'm just twisting my hair and tucking it under and doing that going around. See, twist and tuck. And then I'm going to apply 2 I think rubber bands to keep it secure. Yeah, so that's the first one. My hair is unruly, so it's like, now sis, this one thing ain't gonna keep me down, so I had to put another one, which even that second one was like but it worked. Oh yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, comment a caterpillar emoji so I know that you're new. And if you're an OG subscriber, comment the butterfly so I know you've been here for a minute. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Forevermore.